Eiffel Tower!
In case you did not know, I studied abroad this semester in Italy, but more on that in another video. I actually had a week off of school, so of course I had to go on my dream trip to London and Paris with some of my friends. And yes, this includes the Harry Potter studio tour and Disneyland Paris. Let's go.
What's the gap between the train and the platform?
So things went comically wrong on my way to the airport. My train was delayed, so I only had an hour to get to my gate once I got to the airport. And fun fact, the Rome airport is massive, and I had to get my passport checked, which took forever because the line was so long and the people in front of me did not know what they were doing. Then I ran to the gate and my suitcase didn't even fit on the plane, even though I paid extra to have a suitcase that would fit on the plane. They took my bag and they checked it, but I have checked bag trauma because the last time my bag was checked, it was returned to me with one less wheel. And fun fact, I'm back home right now when I'm filming this, and my suitcase came back with one wheel. Yes, I left the United States of America with a suitcase with 4 wheels, and it now has 1 wheel. Anyways, did make it to London, but I lost my dignity and my pride on the way there. Hi. We made it.
I'm really happy to be at Nando's. I miss Nando's. I'm really jealous that Georgia lives here and gets to go to Nando's whenever she wants.
I don't know what a Nando is, but I got this cheese.
Welcome back to another Q-Tips. I'm Joe Schmidt along with the #1 chef.
Alright, so we're going to a big place. It's called Piccadilly Circus. I don't know what this is, but the name sounds like something deep fried that you find at a carnival. And I'm so excited. Georgia, make up some fact about London, but you're a local, so it's a completely made up fact.
So Queen Elizabeth I actually had a circus here at one point, which is why it's called Piccadilly Circus. And they now just kind of left it there because she ended up meeting her wonderful husband. And that's why they put the Statue of Arrows, because it represents love. That's where they met. And now they can't have a circus here because they love tourism too much.
I've been kidnapped. Help!
Babe, you're right. We're going on.
I don't know what we're walking to right now.
I'm not gonna let you bump into anyone or anything.
You're suffocating me.
If you close your eyes, will you?
Yeah.
You close your eyes?
Okay. They're closed.
Right, put your arms on my shoulder.
Watch the girl.
Okay, you can open them.
All of that. Georgia has taken us to this really fun tea shop. Emily got tea.
I was peer pressure. It sounds big
to getting tea. Emily doesn't like tea.
Thing 1 and thing 2.
Cheers. Sorry. Cheers. Minding the gap. We are on the tube and we are headed to Camden. We're gonna go out and hopefully eat dinner. Please. Whoa! Wow!
Something.
Look, we're at Wendy's.
We're in Notting Hill. We're going to breakfast. We're going to brekkie.
There is no loving without losing. You lose yourself to become part of somebody else. That's just how it is. I do.
I had one of these when I was a kid. So we are in Portobello Market. Emily just bought many cameras. We're doing some shopping. Oh wait, Georgia, look at the pocket watches. It's a video. They have Twisted Taters and Five Nights at Freddy's Fanta. This is my Halloween Horror Nights. I feel fulfilled. I'm not getting it, but I feel like I just went to Halloween Horror Nights.
Not broke.
What's the gap between the train and the platform?
Where are we going?
We're going to Sketch. I'm really excited. They have really cool bathrooms. It's like it's getting ET, but like X disco.
Oh Emily really took us to the nicest restaurant here.
Anymore.
Going to the bathroom. This is apparently a main attraction here. Oh, this is the bathroom.
Go inside of the egg, Colette.
Oh. Yeah.
It also plays music.
Yeah. Okay, this is I'll take you guys in with me. I can't believe this is a bathroom. So I wish I had to pee again because that was the coolest bathroom experience. We just wrapped up at Sketch. That was so cool. The bathroom was such a unique experience. Shout out Emily for taking us. Food was great.
It's my favorite restaurant. Been literally coming every single time I travel to London. I'm so excited when I live here to go once a month because I will.
Today we are doing a touristy day. First monument, Tower of London. Alright Georgia, tell me all about this monument.
Okay, so this is very historically known as where Henry VIII and his 2 wives be executed. And she was like 15 years old.
We're here! I have been looking forward to this forever. We booked this in July. After everything possibly going wrong that could possibly go wrong, we just ran around for our bus to leave without us and pull away as we find it. It was really like a cinematic moment. It was horrible. I now have my buttermilk. Cheers. I don't know how to drink this actually. It's so cute though. If this is a sleeve, I'm taking it. Wait, how do I approach this? Maybe I will try a straw. They got paper straws. Oh my god. Look at that.
I got a big hot chocolate.
Oh. This is like actually so cool, I almost cried. I keep forgetting that this isn't Universal and that this is like actually where they filmed everything, which is so wild. So we're here during October, which means they have the Death Eaters here, so they're about to come out.
During the Harry Potter film series, the Death Eaters featured from the Goblet of Fire through to the Deathly Hallows Part 2. Paul Harris, choreographer for Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, created the art known as wand combat. Drawing inspiration from fencing and dance, wand combat had a unique physicality that defied it.
Me reliving this memory. I don't know, I panicked. It's so aggressive. I was like, oh my god, are you getting re-traumatized by this morning?
We didn't miss the bus. No. I've been here in Hogwarts Legacy. They have a whole wall dedicated to just the animal actors. I could cry. Oliver loves rubbing himself along props and legs. Oh. Max is big and greedy. Max, he's so cute. This table people uses forced perspective, and we're gonna test it out.
I'm taking over your vlog. Like,
okay, you wanna edit it for me?
Those people tell me time's so bad.
We just got an amazing little wand lesson. We learned some new tricks.
Keep it held out, we drop it. Brilliant, those are our 5 spells. We're gonna go over them one more time and then our...
Emily, you killed it. It was very fun. Now we're going to the Forbidden Fruit.
I just can't help feeling glad.
I didn't know they had tails. So there's a little gift shop intermission, and look what we found. This is a Dobby eye mask.
should I wear this on the plane on the way home?
Purchase was made.
No, bro, not by me.
Never! Tour continues this way. Let's go! We made it to platform 9 3/4, and the train is making noises. This is really sad for me because I used to see the Hogwarts Express every single day when I worked at Universal, and my office is like literally right behind Diagon Alley, and now I'm sad because I missed my summer internship. Thank you. They have so many cool wands. Ooh, the snitch. Emily's getting this one with the time turner. It's so cool. Alright guys, babysit Emily while I go fill up my water. Hey.
So, we got food. Here it is. I don't know how to work this thing.
I have some bad news and some good news. The bad news is today is our last day in London. But the good news is that we're going to Paris tonight! Size comparison.
Is it as big as my face?
What happened?
The frosting went up my nose because y'all moved. And I went like that.
Oh, I see it.
We ended up going to this, I don't know what kind of food this is, but I got curry. Emily got pork. I got a pork rice cucumber situation.
This actually looks gas.
Cheers. Oh, these strawberries are so sweet. Worth the hype. Hi guys, haul what I got. We went to this little bakery and I got a meringue. This is a very big meringue. Let's try it.
How can I help you? Let me take this.
Oh my god. This is really good. Emily got this thing. I don't know what it is. Does Emily know what it is?
It's chocolate.
This stuff is so good.
Is it like a mousse or is it a cake?
Dude, look at the inside.
Hmm.
I don't really know what that is, but like, I like it.
Okay, so we're walking and I look straight ahead. I'm like, that's not the Eiffel Tower, is it?
No, it's the Rocket. We're in Vegas actually.
Yeah. There it is. Nothing could have prepared me for how massive the Louvre is. This right here is the first documented instance of what we call a ding-dong ditch. As you can see, there's no door in this instance, but it's more of the tap-tap runaway. Who did that?
There's something here.
Exactly, and that is what's happening in this image.
Or he's gonna put it up his butt.
They stole her chess thing as well. The heist. This is the missing chess piece. It's actually one of the Infinity Stones.
So did you know while this painting was being painted that they're actually running from pigeons? But they're also pouring wine because like the drinking never stops.
It's blood. His name was Spot.
Now people just stare all over her. It's kind of uncomfortable for her, but hey.
She likes the attention. She sat for Da Vinci.
Emily, what did we get for dinner?
We got steak beef.
Today we are here to see the Eiffel Tower. It is very cold outside and very windy.
Wait for it. Coming up. Don't click away, please.
Eiffel Tower!
It is raining, but we're about to take the metro and go to Versailles, which I'm so excited about. After a long day of exploring, we finally made it to the Eiffel Tower.
Vegas!
Oh. This is our view of the Eiffel Tower. It's so windy. It's so windy. But we're here. 3, 2, 1, Eiffel Tower. Oh! Aww. Finally made it to an international Disney park.
Dudes and dudettes, rock
I don't know how I did it, but I just got champagne in my eye and I told Emily exactly how I just told you guys, and she said she also just had that experience.